Kia delivers one of the best three-row SUVs with the Telluride, an incredibly well-packaged Carnival minivan, and for those without such a needy space requirement, a compelling mid-size family sedan in the K5. Fighting strong competition from the 10 best-winning Honda Accord, the K5 offers a lot for its price. Most K5s are powered by a 2.5-liter inline-4. Front-wheel drive is standard, but all-wheel drive can be added at some trim levels. At the top of the lineup sits the 290 HP K5 GT, which is good, rowdy fun. The K5 and its Hyundai-badged mechanical twin, the Sonata, have a lot in common, but the two offer a slightly different driving experience. Standard features such as LED headlights, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, as well as rear cross-traffic alert, give the K5 equipment that buyers will find useful every time they get behind the wheel. What's new for 2025? The Kia K5 sedan gets styling updates for 2025. The K5's new headlights and taillights, as well as a major update to its interior, were first debuted on the Korean market K5. When Kia revealed the US spec K5 at the Chicago Auto Show, we learned that last year's turbocharged 1.6-liter 4 has been replaced with a non-turbo 2.5-liter unit that makes slightly more power at 191 ponies. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2025 Kia K5 is expected to start around $27,000 and go up to $33,000 depending on the trim and options. For those who don't care about the extra firepower that comes with the GT's 290 HP engine, the GT line has a satisfying mix of racy styling elements at a very attractive price. That's the one we'd recommend. And for those who want the all-weather traction of all-wheel drive, it's available for extra. Otherwise, every GT line comes standard with a sportier body kit, 18-inch wheels, a 10-way power driver's seat, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and wireless smartphone charging. We'd also spring for the premium package, which brings adaptive cruise control, advanced forward collision warning, and full LED headlights, engine, transmission, and performance. Most K5 models are powered by a 191 HP 2.5-liter 4-cylinder that pairs with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Using that engine, the K5 comes standard with front-wheel drive. All-wheel drive is optional. The full Monty GT model has a more powerful turbo 2.5-liter 4 that generates 290 horses and 311 pound-feet of torque, along with its exclusive 8-speed dual-clutch automatic, also available on the Hyundai Sonata N line. The sportiest K5 is fitted with bigger brakes, a unique suspension tune, and wider tires on larger 19-inch rims. 0-60 mph times. The GT we drove sprinted to 60 miles per hour in just 5.2 seconds and stopped from 70 miles per hour in 163 feet. The Sonata N line, which shares the same engine and transmission, was slightly quicker to 60 miles per hour, 5.0 seconds, and stopped even shorter, 152 feet. However, the Hypo Hyundai we tested wore optional summer tires. The Kia only comes with all seasons, which contributed to its performance advantage. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The EPA hasn't released estimates for the K5 with the base 4-cylinder engine yet, but the K5 GT is rated for 24 mpg city and 32 highway. When we get a chance, we'll take the 2025 K5 on our 75 mph highway fuel economy route and update this story with real-world test results. When we took the GT on this test, it overperformed, beating its rating by 4 with a result of 36 mpg. For more information about the K5's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo inside, the K5 looks great for how much it costs, and this year's refresh improves the ambience even more. The layout is both sophisticated and straightforward, and the cabin is appointed with attractive materials such as wood trim on the dash and doors. The K5 also offers an array of upscale interior features, such as ambient interior lighting on the dash and doors, heated and ventilated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a wireless charging pad. While the driver's seat feels high even set at its lowest point, the comfortable dead pedal for your left foot and floor-hinged accelerator are nice touches. The back seat also provides generous legroom, and the trunk has plenty of luggage space. We managed to fit 7 carry-on suitcases back there, infotainment, and connectivity. The K5 comes standard with a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system that shares a bezel with the gauge cluster. In some models, that gauge cluster is a 12.0-inch digital unit that can be reconfigured to show a variety of info. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration is standard across the lineup. The K5 is also available with a 12-speaker Bose audio system for those who want the best auditory experience. Safety and driver assistance features. Kia's family sedan also offers a variety of standard and optional driver assistance technology. For more information about the K5's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, E2HS websites. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, standard adaptive cruise control. Warranty and maintenance coverage. Kia provides one of the best warranties, bar none. While it doesn't include complimentary scheduled maintenance, its limited and powertrain coverages are the longest of any automaker besides its corporate sibling, Hyundai. Limited warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 10 years or 100,000 miles. No complimentary scheduled maintenance.